Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alex the Car Guy here with another product review. And today I'm looking at the ProClip cell phone mount. Now this mount is a little pricey in my opinion, but it offers the ability to be able to install without drilling into the dash or modifying the dash whatsoever. So first I'm going to show you what you get in the box, then I'm going to install it in my Corolla Hatchback, which is a 2019 model, and then finally I'm going to let you know my thoughts on whether I think it is worth the money or not. So the first thing you need to know about ordering a ProClip is that you'll have to order two pieces. First, you'll have to order a mount, which is going to be specific to your car model, and then you'll have to select a phone holder, which again is going to be specific to the type of phone that you have. So at the time of filming, the mount for my Toyota Corolla Hatchback retails for $30. The cell phone holder itself retails for $40. So we're looking at a solution that costs about $70 plus shipping. Now, why is the cost so high? Well, each one of these things is being made handcrafted in Sweden. Literally handcrafted. So they're making these things one by one, and you can see some of the marks on there, so you can tell that this is not being mass produced. Now the back portion, this one right here is a little swivel that allows the phone to point in a different angle. Now this could be mass produced because they already are using a technology called injection molding. This is made out of ABS, but the front is still being machined. Literally, when somebody orders a cell phone mount, they go and they make it. So obviously that's a very slow way of making it, but that's a way that they're able not to have stock on hand and reduces the cost of ownership for the company, not for you as the buyer. Now that does create a little bit of delay in lead time, which means when I ordered this thing, it took about 2 or 3 weeks for it to get here. It's not like they have it on the shelf. They literally have to make them as they order. Now you also get a little bit of hardware, and the way that this is going to work is going to depend from car to car. But on the Corolla, this is the mount that's going to go on the dash. Actually, it's going to go like this, and it's going to be facing that way. And then after I mount this on the dash, this is going to be screwed on onto here, and the cell phone will slide into here. So let's go install it and see how it looks. Okay, I have finished installing the mount, and installation was fairly straightforward. It took probably about 5-10 minutes, and I'm not gonna bore you with how I installed it because it's gonna be different from car to car. But basically, they made it so it hooks onto the trim of the Corolla, and then the holder mounts to the mount itself by a few screws in the back. Now, how does the phone go into it? Here's my phone. It literally just slides into here like that. And it's pretty secure. This thing is not gonna go anywhere, and then you can just remove the phone out like this. So it's a pretty neat solution. I definitely think it looks awesome, and it's gonna be fully reversible. Well, now that I installed the cell phone mount and I've been driving around and testing it, do I think it's worth the extra money? Well, I think that's gonna depend on what you're looking for. I was looking for something that required no modification to my dash. This checked all those boxes, and the phone is in a very well placed location where I can see it and not take my eyes off the road. So for me, it's definitely worth the money. That being said, if you don't care about drilling into your console or sticking something with double-sided tape, you're probably going to be better off buying a universal cell phone holder, which you can get a really nice one for about half the price of a ProClip. I'll place a link on the description below to the universal cell phone holder. Now, this video is not sponsored by ProClip, but I'll also place a link on the description below if you are interested in checking some of their products out. Well, that completes this product review. I have a lot more coming up, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.